Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to draw Sonic eating a chili dog, as I said in the intro, so let's get into it. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to start with the chili dog shape because it's going to be easier. Curve over here on the left side of the chili dog. Whole line back over here. Just kind of the one side of the chili dog bun is what we're doing. Curve over here on this side. And we're going to pull in just a bit. Now we're going to kind of go over and draw the fingers on the chili dog first, so it's more of these curved, rounded shapes, right? Because like they're just his fingers of his glove kind of going into this. Line over here. Same thing over here on this side. Curve, curve, curve. So you got that underside already. Pretty simple so far. Now the chili dog itself is, we're just doing these kind of bumpy lines, right? Think about how beans are going to be in a chili dog, right? And they're just going to be this bumpy sort of thing, like so, kind of like grass or something like that kind of shape, or a bush or whatever. I'm going to draw over here curve, which is the end of the chili dog itself. And if you want, you can draw the back here for the bun right there. Real simple stuff. Something else we could do is over here we're going to draw the more little shapes on the inside to make it look like, you know, that shape is broken up. So maybe drawing a couple of bean shapes in there. Nothing. Kind of randomly, more or less. Alrighty. So we got his hands holding the chili dog. And now we're going to draw Sonic's face behind it. So like he's going to chomp down into it. So let's just say we're going to go over here. Line up there. Kind of a curve here for the nose that we're going to save for that. And then pulling down, curve around here. Line right here for his mouth, and he's gonna maybe line down here, line over here, down here, and we're gonna have like his teeth, the top row of teeth right there, and then we're gonna actually fill this in down here. Right there, we're filling this in to, you know, see, it's the inside of his mouth, right? That's kind of the whole point. Right on. Let's go over here to find the end of his nose over here. Up, curve, down. Circle for a highlight. And then we're gonna fill this in. Sweet. Alright, so far so good. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you do like the lesson so far, definitely hit that like button. I'm going to go down over here for kind of the center of the eye, and I'm going to pull up, down. Alright, got furrowing of the brow. Another curve over here on this far side. Gonna pull up over here. Curve over here. Now we're gonna go over here on the brow, find the brow on this side, and we're gonna go curve for the brow. Line back here, down. in for that one big spike over his head. Out over here, down for another spike. We're gonna keep it like that so far, but let's go back into his face. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna draw a gravestone shape right there for one eye. Line over here for the other. Maybe put like a highlight over here in the eye. And then we're gonna fill in most of it. You don't have to fill, like sometimes you can give him a, what do you call it, like the color of his eye, but I'm just gonna fill up the whole thing. Like there. We're gonna go over here for the brow, over this eye right here. It's just gonna be a curved line. Triangle for the ear, kind of coming out of that brow. You don't have to always have it coming out of that brow, but line right here. And line on the inside. Gonna go over here at that far end. Right on. Line over here for kind of under his face. A little bit high right there. Let me move it down a little bit. It's a little bit high. And then I'm gonna go find his arm over here. So maybe out of, I'll say around this area. I'm gonna go over here, curve around, find his arm. Line over here, line up. Kind of the rest of his arm right there. He's kind of wrapping around there. You can even throw like that little curve of the glove. Pull this back in there. And another spike coming out the back. Right there. Probably here in this area we're gonna vignette. Oh, well, let's draw his stomach too. So like, where would his stomach be? Kind of over here. Draw the other side a little bit. And that'd be a pretty good vignette right there. But if you really want to, like, for anybody who wants to go more hardcore, by the way, don't forget there's a free ebook in the description. Go take a look at that. If you made it this far, there's a free ebook on the proportions drawing cute. If you want to go further though, you can always draw a line down here. Draw his tail. Curvature for the bottom of his body there. Line down. Line down. And then curve over here. And that's pretty much it. You can draw like a little line over here, line over here, line over here. You can always throw a little bit of extra lines right here, but you don't really have to. It's kind of up to you. But that is Sonic about to, chomp into a Chilidog, okay? Hopefully you enjoyed that. Like I said, hit the like and subscribe if you made it this far. Definitely hit the subscribe button, and I will see you in the very next video, alrighty? I will see you soon.